Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to draw the Bohr model for sodium-23. So let's zoom in here. So when the number follows the name, we know this 23 represents the mass number, and the mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So let's take a look at our periodic table, and let's find sodium. Sodium is right here in group 1, period 3. Let's zoom in on sodium. Okay, so we see that sodium is atomic number 11. Its symbol is Na. So let's go to our Geogebra site and let's draw the Bohr model. So we'll start by drawing the nucleus. Let's go right here to this center tools. And we're going to draw a circle. So let's go ahead and draw a circle right here in the center. And let's change the opacity to color it in. So there's my nucleus. Now inside the nucleus, we know we have protons plus neutrons. So we're going to add a text box by going to this paperclip right here. And we're going to hit text box. And then let's go ahead and put a text box right over our nucleus. And I know that based on the atomic number 11, that sodium would have 11 protons. So let's go ahead and write 11p for 11 protons. And the atom is sodium-23, and this is the mass. And the mass is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So because I have 11 protons, to find out the number of neutrons, it would be 23 minus 11. And that would give me 12 neutrons. And if we add these two numbers up, that would give us a total mass of 23. So let's go ahead and recenter this. Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and add our first energy level. So let's go to the tools right here. Let's click on our circle. Let's add our first energy level. Let's recenter it. There we go. And we know that according to Bohr, in the first energy level, I can only have 2 electrons. Now, because sodium has 11 protons and we're drawing the sodium atom, it should have 11 total electrons. So we're going to put 2 electrons in the first energy level. So let's go ahead and go to our circle. And let's go put our circle right here. And let's color it in all the way black. And let's kind of recenter it right there. There's my first electron. Let's go ahead and copy this electron and paste it. And now let's go ahead and move this electron right there. So now our first energy level has 2 electrons. Now I need a total of 11. So I need to add more electrons. Let's go ahead and add another energy level. So let's go to our circle right here. And let's draw another circle. And let's go ahead and recenter it. Now in the second energy level, I can hold up to 8 electrons. So let's go ahead and copy 1 electron and paste it. And then let's go ahead and move it right here. So that's 1 electron right there. I know this whole energy level here, the second energy level, can hold up to 8. So let's go ahead and put 8 in this whole circle. So let's go ahead and paste another electron right there. And we tend to pair them up in the second energy level if we can. So these two are going to be paired. So let's go ahead and add some more. I'm going to add it right here. And then let's go ahead and paste another one. And I'm going to pair it up with this one right here. And then I need a few more. So let's go ahead and put it right there. And then let's paste another one and pair it up with that. So now I have 6 and I can hold up to 8. That means I need 2 more. So let's add 2 more. There's 1 more. And then that would give me a total of 8. So now I have a total of 10 electrons, 2 in the first energy level, 8 in the second energy level, but we know that sodium needs to have 11. because it has 11 protons, it also needs to have 11 electrons. So if the first energy level is full and the second energy level is full, that means we have to add a third energy level. So let's go ahead and go to our circle, and let's drag our circle over, and then let's go ahead and recenter it. And I need one more electron, so let's go ahead and paste that electron in, and then let's move it right here. And now I have 11 total electrons. So let's go ahead and take a screenshot of our drawing. Let's go ahead and put it right here in our document. Let's resize our drawing. All right, so now let's fill out this table. What's the symbol for sodium? Well, sodium is right here. Its symbol is Na. So let's type that in, capital N, lowercase a. Let's take a look at the model we just drew. Number of protons right here, that would be 11 protons. Number of neutrons, since the mass is 23, the number of neutrons will be 12. The total number of electrons, we said, has to equal the total number of protons, so that would be 11. Number of energy levels, well, let's see, here's my nucleus. The number of energy levels would be 1, 2, 3, because I have 3 circles or 3 orbits surrounding that nucleus, so that would be 3 energy levels. The number of core electrons, the core electrons are the electrons located on the inside. So the outermost energy level is called my valence. Everything else on the inside is the core. So if I count out the number of electrons that are on the inside, that would be 1, 2, plus these 8 here. That would give me a total of 10. The number of valence electrons would be the number of electrons in the outermost energy level. And in this case right here, I only have one valence electron, so that would be 1. So there you have it. That's how you draw the Bohr model for the sodium-23 atom using GeoGebra.